In the mirror's breath, the face I wore, reflected lies I can't ignore. Strings of fate like veins of glass, every truth cuts deep, alas. The stars all scream behind the mist, a God's pale hand I can't resist. Blood turns black beneath the moon, the fool shall rise, the end comes soon. Whispers beyond the veil call my name, each prayer burns like unholy flame. I traded sanity for their light, now I dream where gods take flight.
Pages written in human speak, prophets laugh as worlds begin. Angels kneel on fractured knees, begging mercy from the seas. Every seal that breaks I fall, crowned in silence, bound by all. The terror bleeds, the hour is late, even destiny must suffocate. Whispers beyond